They look delicious. I'm getting that beautiful herbal smell of mint. This is powerful. It is so deliciously lemony. The cumin is just exploding in here. The herbs give it this freshness, as do the tomatoes, but everything is held together by the soft bulgur wheat. It's really, really good. I have a really nice wine to pair with this, which is an ancient Greek grape varietal called Malagousia. This is from Epanomi in northern Greece. I think it's going to go really well with the herbal qualities in these Dolmades. I'm getting a lot of stone fruit in here, things like apricot, peach. I'm getting a little bit of rose petal. And I'm also getting almost a mintiness that works really beautifully with the almost floral and herbal quality of these Dolmades.